According to industry reports from the Semiconductor Industry Association and global supply chain analysts, a quiet shift is happening in the tech world. And it's not in Silicon Valley, Taiwan, or China. It's happening in the Philippines. While most people focus on chip design and fabrication, the Philippines is rapidly becoming a global powerhouse in the back end of semiconductor production, assembly, testing, and packaging. And this part of the process is just as critical. Because no matter how advanced a chip is, it still needs to be assembled, tested, and prepared before it can power your phone, laptop, or car. And that's exactly where the Philippines dominates. With a skilled workforce, lower costs, and decades of experience, the country has built a strong ecosystem around semiconductor services. Major global tech companies rely on Philippine facilities to complete the final stages of chip production. But there's another reason behind this rise: geopolitics. As tensions increase in major manufacturing regions, companies are looking to diversify their supply chains. They want stable, reliable locations to reduce risk. And the Philippines offers exactly that. Strategically located in Southeast Asia, it provides easy access to global shipping routes while remaining a relatively stable partner for international firms. So what we're seeing is not just industrial growth, it's a strategic shift from a support player to a critical node in the global tech supply chain. Because in today's world, control over semiconductors means control over technology. And the Philippines is quietly securing its place in that future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.